It's the city of fun here at Coles Fun Fair. Now, I don't film fun fairs very often these days because I always get out, you don't say who owns the ride or anything like that. I don't care. I've come to ride some rides, and I do generally come to ride rides. I visit fairs more than what we film, by all means. Much, much more than what we film these days. However, I thought today it's a nice day, it's quite warm, that I'd treat you all to a fun fair. That's it. So we're going to take you on 3 or 4 rides. That's a great ghost train. I love the little short ghost train here. And we can see, we'll have a quick look around as well. Some of the rides are here. But actually, for a fair that's only here 4 days, it's quite a big selection given how much it kind of like takes to set it up and move it around. But here is the fair. You could probably hear it in the background. The music is blaring out. We won't be going on the Starfly, just a spoiler there. But the Sizzler is definitely one we're going to be going on. A very quick look through the fair before we get on some rides. We've got classic Waltzer, classic Twister over this side. Got a lot of kids ones down here. Basically the whole left hand side is kind of kids with bouncies and mirror maze and little paragliders. You've then got the Dodgems. I mean, how can you not have Dodgems? One we come across quite a lot but never get bored of riding is indeed the Screamer, the Matterhorn ride. I love this one. We will definitely be going on board this one for sure. We can see a Starflyer in the background. I'm going to give you a spoiler alert. As I said, I'm not going on Starflyer today. I'm not, but there is a parachutes. I don't remember the last time I went on one of these. I don't know if I have. It looks pretty quick as well, so I'll be going on that one. But I am going to start over at Transylvania Express. I love this little ghost train. It is a ghost train. I'm going to get covered in foam on this one for sure. Right, let's get on, and then we're going to go straight on the Screamer afterwards. Okay, it's been a few years since I've been on this ghost train. I've just been sprayed with water. But it's one of my favourites, this one. There's just so much in it. Ah. Who doesn't love a good ghost train, honestly? And at the end, I'm gonna get, if you can hear anything, I'm going to get absolutely sprayed on the way out here as well. I mean, come on, what is not to like about it? Okay, that was the ghost train first. I've just been covered in absolute foam from that. And I'm moving on to the Screamer. I love this Matterhorn ride. It's been a while since I've filmed at a fair, granted, it has been a while, but I do come and ride these because they are such fun. They really are such fun. And we're probably not going to do Twister and Waltzer today. I'm debating whether I do the paragliders there. I have to say, I don't remember the last time I went on those paragliders, or whether I do the Starfly, but here is the Screamer. These things are great fun. These things are just brilliant. And as they pick up a bit of pace, you kind of sway in and out. Oh yeah! No messing around on this one either. Oh. No messing. And you can see the cars up front. Oh, it's got some height to it, this one. Here we go. Oh, you just don't get these at theme parks. It's the little dip here. Oh yeah, absolutely love it. I really do. Oh, when you see one of these, it's a proper classic. It's one you just need to get on. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh. I have to say, I did like it when these went backwards as well. I don't think this one does go backwards, but you can get some that do, and it just gives a different feeling. But this is quite quick. I've got some proper swing coming out of this bit. Oh yes, here we go. We're already on a good ride cycle as well. Oh yes. There we go. You just can't get bored of these rides. They're just so much fun. Your local fair always has something that your theme park doesn't have. And the Screamer is undoubtedly one of them. Loads of rides going in the background there. That Screamer, yeah, it's as good as I remember, to be fair. I haven't ridden that one in a couple of years probably. It is now travelling quite regularly round here. Now from the Screamer, I'm going to head over to the paratroopers. which is just coming down now. That's really good timing actually, and then I'll debate on whether I'm going to do the Waltzer or the Twister, as you've got to ride one of the classics, haven't you, when you come here. There's not a Dodgems day today. I think if it was busy, I'd probably do the Dodgems, but it's not really super busy yet. 2 rides in motion at once, got the paragliders in the background, and yeah, look at the height this one gets. The Screamer, we've just been on it, the classic Matterhorn ride. I do love one of these. I think the last paragliders I did was at Wicksteed. Wicksteed sounds about right, doesn't it? Yeah, it was Wicksteed, and they weren't good. They weren't the best. However, I've been watching this one. I don't remember this one. I'm sure I've been on it, but I don't remember this one. It looks like it's got a little bit of whip to it, which I'm quite excited about, as I do like one with a little bit of whip to it. Here is the classic paragliders. You don't see too many of these around anymore. They're quite common at Butlins. Butlins have a few of these kicking around, to be honest. This one's got a little bit of a swing to it, which is quite nice. Oh yeah, a little bit of an out and in look. I like that. I like that in a paraglider ride. But here we are, we're in Totton. And there's a good ride selection here as well with Coles Fair as we fly around. But yeah, there's a lot of movement to these. And you'll look at these as well, and you'll see they can go in various different directions, not just out and in. They've got a little bit of leeway each way. And I'll tell you, when you add a bit of wind into it as well, which I'm sure you could hear the wind. Oh, it does move. It really does move. Oh, it moves quite a lot actually. I really like it. I love these. I absolutely love these. Definitely running better than the one I did at Wicksteed for sure. Ah, here we go. Yeah, it's been a while since I filmed from a fair. Check back on the channel though, you'll be able to see some cracking fair videos, including most of these rides, to be honest, as well. But we just thought we'd bring you out for a bit of a treat today. Do something a little bit different. The Starfly is going round, but let me just say, this thing was quick. That was surprisingly quick. I think we went on the one at Wicksteed, which was quite slow. The one at Butlins as well, which we see quite a lot, is also quite slow. But that, once it gets up to height, picks up some speed and really goes some. Really impressed with that. Do love a good parachuter ride, I really do. Right, that's 3 rides done. We are going to go and end on the Twister. What else? It's been a while since I've been on this Twister. This is a great Twister as well. I mean, it's a beautiful example. It really is. The sound on these is something else. I mean, if you can hear me, it's pretty good going, to be honest with you. But this will be our final ride, and it's going to be the Twister. I mean, you can't ask for a better song, really, either, can you? What other song would you want on a Twister than spinning around? A bit of Kylie on a Twister. Who doesn't want a bit of Kylie on a Twister? And the music, oh, you just don't get this atmosphere at a theme park. They do some good soundtracks, but if you want something a bit more raw, you're going to have to come to a fun fair and get yourself either on a Waltzer or on a Twister.
Somebody scream! Woo! Yeah, the #1 machine, let's do it!
Right, can we go quicker still? I can feel it now. Here we go, oh, here we go! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! I'll tell you what, it's a cracking cycle. Cracking cycle. We're running at about £1 a minute. I'll take that any day of the week. There is the Miami there. You've got a little coaster over here as well, a little mine train coaster, but actually that's a really good lineup, that fair. £1.20 a token, which isn't too bad. I think it's 20 tokens for 20 quid, which is a bargain. You generally free tokens a ride, apart from the Starfly, which is 4, which again isn't unusual, to be honest. It's a much bigger attraction, but really good lineup. We started with the Ghost Train, great fun, loved being sprayed with the foam at the end. We've then moved on to the Screamer. I love a Matterhorn ride. I absolutely love a Matterhorn ride. Really taken back actually by how good the paratroopers are. Enjoyed those, and of course finished up with the classic Twister. Short and sweet, love coming to a fair. Get yourself to your local one, give them some support.